Tan, 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 tara.
Tom and Joel, the morning show. Sometimes I am thinking why we can't be a rich. We are working 25 years maybe, but we are still there.
Because we have some mistakes in our lifestyle, I think. What do you think about that?
Yeah, but we are changing our jobs. Time and time we are changing the jobs. No.
Because Tom, like, see, if we have earned, or we'll say as example, I'm earning like, so how can I save that money?
One guy make the research for this, why we can't be a rich. Today I am going to tell you about that. Rich person doesn't want to ask this because they are already rich, no? They are already rich. I am telling about our persons to do like this.
If rich person wants to be like a poor person, then obviously yes, we can do it, make it like, no?
Yeah, that is simple to do, no? Jewel, according to that research, as per him, we have to follow the 9 steps for the how to become the rich.
What? 9 steps? What are these things? Is it easy steps or difficult steps?
No, that is very simple and easy steps are there.
Oh, then that's fine, Tom. Tom, can you just explain to me what are those things so then I can also be a rich person?
First is avoid the show of things. It means you have to depend from your income. If you have a credit card, that is good thing. Credit card you are sweeping every times, all the times.
Like me, right?
Yeah, it should need to be balancing with your income.
That is the thing I can't do, Tom.
Don't get the loans. Okay, Jewel. Second thing is reduce the sleeping time. You can do it, that one? I don't think.
I think I can do it, right? What do you think about that?
I don't think. Third is always try to engage with the wealthy people.
How come with wealthy people, if I will engage, how come I'll be a rich person?
Example, as like you. When we go to the shopping or dinner or lunch, you always using my credit card. You keeping your credit card with your pocket, but never you are using that one. All the days you are handling my money. As a friend like you, I cannot be a rich. All the times I will stay by like this only. Never change in my life because of you.
What do you mean by, Tom, like in that? That means you are telling every time I am like that? Huh? I never expect this type of word from you. It means you are telling that we have to make the relationship or build up the relationship. Before that, we have to think about whether it's matching for us or not. That's what you're telling, right?
You got the point, Joel. Third one is we have to reduce our usage of entertainment.
Then life will get bored, no, Tom?
Why you think like that?
I mean, like, if we are not doing our entertainments and our life is always coming to office, going back home and eating, sleeping, again next day morning wake up, coming to office, going back home, what is this kind of life? That means if we will be like that, then only we will be rich. Otherwise, everybody is poor.
No, I am not telling like that. Entertainment required, but that is need to be limit. That's why I am telling. Next one is avoid the easy cash solutions. You know what is easy cash, right?
No, I don't know.
Like betting or casino, like that.
Those things.
Next one is don't afraid to lose and reduce the fear.
I am not afraid of the losing and I am not fear about anything. I am only fear about you.
That means if you are starting the business, you know the business. Sometimes this happen, sometimes not happen. If you are investing something, invest. After it is become winning or losing, you have to, don't afraid for that. That's why I am telling. If it is lost or profit, you have to accept that one. That's the means I am telling. Next one is try to stop the easy life and think always serious.
That is how you are doing, right? Because you are always serious, no jokes, nothing.
Who said I am not joking?
Ayyo, I was just a kidding. Don't take it serious.
Okay. Try to build your self-confidence.
Like how?
That means if you are starting the business, our friends, maybe family, maybe wife, maybe brother, then don't start it now. I have the experience about that. Some guys are, I will invest in something. Anyone can tell into you regarding, don't do it. You are spoil your money. You put your bank and get the interest. Everyone try to pull down you. If you have self-confidence, you can grow up. Try to become a self-confidence person, then you will be a rich. Next one is try to become the book lover.
Book lover? Why? Why book lovers? Because now everything is on computers. Nobody's like to read the books. Even I also feel so bored when I'm reading some books. How come the book lovers being a rich person?
Yeah, I know. Full of the world now come into the fingertips and the computerized. But computer, we have to feed that one. If you are reading the books, you get the good knowledge and good ideas. If we will fill the computer data, get the ideas. If you are reading the book, if we will read the books, we will get the more ideas, more than computer.
These steps, I think it's like a small steps, right? We can easily follow up. I think, Tom, if we will follow these steps, we can be a rich person. It's not that much of tough thing, right?
All the guys are like to be a rich. All are try to be the investments, bank deposit. All are like. I am also like. I think you are also like that one. If you are following these things, you will be success of the life.
Yes, Tom. I think, yes, of course, I will also follow these steps. Okay, fine, guys. Now I think time is over, right? So, guys, just stay tuned on Travelers World. We are travel all over the world. If you are not subscribed, just please press the bell button and the subscribe button and click it. And then you will get more and more updates.